It's Ray again, and I'm over here bringing you another video. This is my for my outdoor bars. See the bars here, right? But this is a great product that I love to show you. This is a 4-bottle liquor dispenser. So basically, you know, this holds the smaller liquor bottles. This is just a regular bottle that I purchased, and I use it for other liquors because not everything is in this size. I normally buy the largest size bottles. So I normally, you know, just keep it here and just refill them from the large bottles. But basically what this does is it gives you a measured shot, always. So it gives you 1 ounce of liquor. You just push it up, and that's it. You get 1 ounce, and you don't get nothing more. So you don't overdo your drinks. You don't overdo, you know, you have control of your bar, so you know how many, you know, shots go into a particular drink. And this is basically it. This is a 4 dispenser. You can get 2, you can get 3, you can get 4, you can get 2 of these and make 8. I'm going to extend this to 8 actually. I'm going to get a second one because I just love it so much, and it just makes things a little bit more organized at the bar. So cheers, guys. You can get this on my store. Just follow the link below. Go directly to Amazon and purchase it. And your support as far as the channel goes, it's subscribe if possible, and I will continue bringing you great videos and great products that I use. Cheers, guys. I'm drinking this one.